Focus here in my
Get a scissors first.
Push. Daling ko mo first. On already?
Yeah, it's on.
Oh my god.
Live on.
This one. Come here.
Yes.
Live on. Unbox for my present.
There's you.
On already?
Yes.
Yes, unbox my present from my loved one. Ay! Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan? Ang hirap magbukas ng present. Wow! Present.
What's in there, guys?
What inside? Look. What inside the link ko, sir? Here we go.
Post it, Mark. Post it.
Present.
Yes.
Ta-da!
An old laptop.
Ta-da!
6 years old.
What? 6 years old? Kapag focus is dali ko here. Ay, bro. What's happening here?
Broke it. Already.
It's ready.
Can you believe it?
Cannot believe
He already broke it.
I cannot believe it. I broke it already. Wow.
10-year-old laptop for buying
Thank
it.
you so much for my present.
Can we have a look around? Can we have a look around?
The charger is here. Hey!
Mom, you broke it again.
I broke it again.
She broke it.
You broke it, you dropped it.
Mom, I'm gonna pause it, okay?
Yes, of course. Okay,
Go.
This is a new one. There we go.
Well, guys, make a little shout out.
The name is... What's the name?
DY.
It's P.
Oh, it looks like a Y.
DY ka dyan, baka DY. Computer, DY computer. Yeah.
This looks bad.
Thank you so much.
It's just
There we
no
go.
keyboarding. Doesn't look keyboarding.
Bye. Thank you. Bye.
Monkeys are cool.